Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, from your profile, tap on Edit Profile from here. From here you can change your name and username. So if you want to change your username, all you need to do is in the username field, you will see your username. Tap on it to edit. Enter your desired new username. Keep in mind that the username must be unique and not already in use by someone else. Once you have entered your new username, tap on the Done button to save the changes. That's it. Your username on Instagram will be updated. Just remember that once you change your username, your old username will become available for others to use. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.